Hello, foodies and kitchen aficionados. Are you sick of using time and oil-intensive traditional cooking techniques? The air fry oven is something we have that is about to change the way you cook. We're going to expose you to some great options in this video that will improve the quality, speed, and health of your cooking more than anything else. Additionally, stay until the very end for a special discount. The 4-slice convection oven from Black Plus Decker will serve as our introduction. Over 30,000 delighted consumers have given this small powerhouse, which costs just $59.99, nothing but positive reviews. A healthier method of cooking has replaced traditional frying. The description below includes a link where you may get this fantastic price. The Ninja DT251 Footy 10-in-1 Smart XL Air Fry Oven is up next. This innovative culinary tool is a game-changer since it incorporates 10 features into a single, svelte design. It's a bit of a spend at $329.99. Looking for flexibility? The Cuisinart TOA 70 BKS air fryer oven with grill is dependable. The number of culinary alternatives accessible in your kitchen are increased by this oven, which costs $194.99 and has over 28,000 ratings. You can barbecue, bake, or cook anything. By navigating to the URL below, you can get it. You may get the Instant Omni Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo 19QD/18L for a great price. This multipurpose set, which costs $192.90, has received an astounding 62,000 reviews. Yes, this multitasking kitchen appliance may be yours by following the link in the description. The Instant Omni Plus 19QD/18L Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo is the last option. This combo, which costs only $179.95, is a great deal, especially in light of the 24,000 favorable reviews it has received. Convenience and adaptability have never looked this nice. See the following link for more information. Additionally, as usual, the description is directly underneath the product links. What are you still holding out for? Grab your preferred air fry oven and get to cooking. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and feel free to share it with other foodies if you found it useful. Up till then, happy cooking. Links to past videos, the subscribe button, and social networking are